Stopped for gas, and there was another bear trainer in front of us, dog trainer. That's why all the noise, so I put it on movie. Now this is the bait that was taken a couple of days before. And we were thinking, I was thinking that maybe this is two different bear. Maybe it's the same one. But he came in, this bear came in like 3 days, 2 or 3 days in a row. And then I put more bait in, and we haven't seen him since, or her, or whatever. And she's got a big head on her. The squirrels and the chipmunks get most of the bait. She's was consistent, and this is broad daylight. We're up there at 6:52 in the evening, and another one was coming in the daytime, I think, which is a different, smaller bear. And then we went out and did the hunt, which you saw earlier, and it was the first time out this year. So things were kind of it wasn't that smooth, but we got through it. And hopefully we'll get one treed eventually. We think we had this one treed, or some bear treed up there for a while, but they come back down. If you haven't got a lot of dogs down and on the ground, and the bears will go up a tree for 10 minutes and then come back down again. Run some more. Well, good luck. This is a night shot. It's gone to infrared.